Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make salsa home full guide. Use ripe tomatoes, onion, jalapeno, cilantro, lime, and salt. Chop or blend to the texture you like. Taste and adjust seasoning, adding more lime or salt as needed. For a smoother salsa, blend for 5 to 10 seconds. For chunky, pulse gently. Let the salsa rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to meld flavors before serving. This basic salsa recipe is simple and flexible, perfect for beginners or quick prep. Combine 4 cups chopped tomatoes, 1 small onion, and 1 jalapeno in a bowl or blender. Stir in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and the juice of 1 lime, then season with 1 teaspoon salt and a pinch of black pepper. Taste and tweak until balanced, then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes so the flavors marry and deepen. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more helpful cooking videos. On another note, I love using the Echo Dot to play music while I prep. It makes the kitchen feel alive and keeps my hands free for chopping. Check the description for the link to the product and other deals, and consider giving it a try for your next cooking session. Now let's get back to the video. Try simple techniques to customize your salsa, like roasting tomatoes and peppers for a smoky profile, or using raw ingredients for bright freshness. A food processor makes smooth salsa in 5 to 10 seconds, while chopping by hand keeps chunks and texture. Control heat by keeping or removing seeds from peppers, and always taste as you go to balance acidity and salt so the salsa sings with every bite.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.